Here it is. Alright, this student is using the acronym FOIL. First, you multiply x squared. O stands for the outside. X times 2 is 2x. I stands for the inside. 1 times x is 1x. Last is 1 times 2 is 2. And then they show the combined like terms, x squared plus 3x plus 2. Raise your hand if you got that.
Right here.
Let's take a look at this student. Student did the box method. Looks good. Interesting. A lot of you guys are using FOIL, which is okay. It's interesting because I didn't really teach you. I don't really care as long as you guys are getting the correct answer. Good job. X plus 4, x minus 5. Hania, how did you simplify this? Oh, okay. A lot of you guys thought distribute because you saw the distributive property. That's what math operation is distributive. You just need to multiply. So, Hania, how do you multiply? How would you do the problem? Do you use the box or do you use FOIL? Okay, let's draw a box. Hania, tell me what to write on the outside of the box. Alright, the Marco show. Tell me what to do.
Top left is x.
So what math operation are we doing? Are we adding or multiplying? We are multiplying. Alright, multiply x times x. So you have x squared.
It's negative 5x.
Correct.
4x.
Yes. Positive or negative? Thank you. Trisha, what do you do next? What math operation? We just did multiplying. Should we add, subtract, or divide? She says subtract. What do you want to subtract? Everyone put your 2 fingers. Which ones we're going to subtract or add? Which one, Trisha? Can I do these 2? X squared minus 5x? No, they're not like terms. Do you know any others that are like terms? 4x and? And what do you get? Correct. X squared minus x minus 20. Raise your hand if you got that. Remember, if you're using the FOIL method, you'll actually get the same 4 terms and then do the same thing. You're just adding these 2. And you'll get x squared minus x minus 20. Brendan, what do you think about the student work for number 3?
Do I think about it?
Yeah.
Oh. Check it out. Yes. Wait, where's that answer?
It's under the box.
Oh, for number 3, it's a... Yeah.
As someone pointed out, maybe if they box their answer might be helpful. Brendan, I have a question. What do you think the student was trying to do here?
Check.
Yeah, they were trying to factor to check their answer, which I thought was a good idea. Brendan, what do you think the mistake is here?
Wait, is that the answer? Okay.
This is a student work.
Okay. No, I think they did foil wrong.
That's correct. What do you think they were doing here? Which letters of FOIL were they doing?
The first and last.
You are correct. The student was trying to use FOIL, and they only multiplied the first two, so 2x times x, and then negative 3 times negative 4. They're missing these two, and that's the reason why maybe the box, which they actually had and they erased, might be a good visual that you should actually produce 4 terms. Okay? Alright. Good job, Brendan. Vanessa, what do you think about this one? Are they going in the right direction, Vanessa? Vanessa, what does x plus 2 squared mean? There are 2 of them, so the student kind of did it twice, and I hope they recognize that there's 2 of them by multiplication, not addition. Let's take a look at this student. Mine. Vanessa, the student left their work like this. What would you do to finish this problem? Or first question, are there any mistakes in here? Okay, and they wrote question marks because I think they didn't know what to do next. What would you do next? Would you multiply or add?
Add.
You are correct. Which ones are you going to add? What do you get? You are correct. Raise your hand if you got that as your answer. Okay, so remember when you have x plus 2 squared, there are 2 of them. You can use the box or FOIL, does not matter, but you are still multiplying then adding, and you get this as your answer.
Hello, man. You